Hello drone pilots, my name is Paul Tate. In this video we're going to look at 3 ways you can get sent to prison using your drone. Does that sound like a challenge? Okay guys, so we're going to look at 3 ways you can land yourself a prison sentence in the UK whilst flying your drone. Now I really don't mean for this to sound like a challenge or a target to aim for. These are things we're going to want to avoid. And coming in 3rd place with the bronze medal is going to be flying hazardous substances. Okay, so this is going to include loads of different things from radioactive materials, corrosive materials, dangerous chemicals, biohazards. So anything like that is going to be completely legal to add to your drone without certain permissions from certain bodies. Now I know this is a bit of a weird one as a hobbyist. There's probably not a lot of people thinking they're going to be transporting their uranium around with their drone. But if we start looking at bigger companies, they're going to need permission if they want to start transporting any dangerous goods around with drones. And actually the way technology is going, this could be a more likely and a more popular way of starting to transporting around certain goods. Okay, in 2nd place with the silver medal, this is going to be intentionally dropping an object from your drone. Now I was actually looking at something on banggood.com, which is something you can attach your Mavic Air to, which will drop items from it, and I thought this looked like a great idea. Now I personally have a falcon, which is a bird that can hunt other birds in the sky. So if I had something that could drop a lure out the sky and watch the bird dive down straight after it, this would be really cool. But after doing a bit of research and finding out this is highly illegal, this can actually land you in prison to do this, so it's something that I'm going to avoid. But I feel this is something that's more likely to happen, not only because there's lots of different reasons you may want to do this, there's also ways that you can easily do this. So just thought I'd let you know, it's completely legal to drop anything intentionally from your drone. It can land you in prison. Now in 1st place, this is going to be the thing that's the most likely to happen and the easiest way to land yourself in prison, and this is going to be flying your drone in a no-fly zone or a restricted area, and these are going to be more likely found around airports, and obviously you're going to be more of a hazard to larger aircraft and manned aircraft, so this is something that is going to be strictly forbidden. Now the maximum prison sentence for flying your drone in a restricted area is 5 years, and you may be thinking this is something that's not going to be easily done because your app won't let you do this. If you try to take off in a restricted area with your DJI Fly app, it will literally stop you from taking off. However, what I found recently is not all restricted air zones can be found on the DJI Fly app, and actually there's quite a few around that are on the Drone Assist app but are not on the Fly app, so you could accidentally find yourself flying in a restricted area. I've done a separate video about this, so if that interests you, I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner now or in the description down below. But as I say, this could be something very dangerous, not just for your drone, but also for any aircraft in the sky at the time. Okay guys, so I've done a lot of stuff about the legal side in the UK recently. I think it'd be really good as people are getting more drones to give some more tips and some more flying tutorials. So I hope to do that going forwards. Let me know what you think of this and what you want to hear from the next videos. If you found this video useful, hitting that like button is a huge help to me as a creator. And I hope to see you in the next one.